Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Renko SuperTrend strategy, a powerful combination of two essential trading tools. This strategy offers a unique approach to identifying trends, spotting potential reversals, and generating high probability trading signals. So by the end of this video, you would understand how to implement this strategy in your own trading, potentially improving your accuracy and profitability. So stay tuned as we break down the components of this strategy and follow a step-by-step guide on how to trade this strategy in Forex markets. We start by understanding what the Renko Super Chart is all about, which implies that it's a combination of two powerful techniques. The Renko chart, you basically go to your charting tool, you go to your Renko chart and you equip this Renko chart on your chart. It is the Renko chart and the Super Trend Indicator are two powerful analysis tools. You also try to you put your super chart indicator on your chart, your super trend indicator. So applying our super trend to our chart would help us better understand this strategy. The combination creates a robust system for identifying trends, spotting reversals, and generating trade signals. The Renko charts are unique price action charts that focuses on significant price movement. They use bricks of fixed size to represent price changes, filtering out minor fluctuations and making trends easier to spot. While the super trend indicator is a trend following overlay that sits on top of price action. As we can see the indicator on our screen, it calculates and displays a line above and below the price, changing colors to indicate potential trend reversals. So this is basically what it means. So when it shows a green super chart line, it indicates price is going to the upside, and when it shows a red super chart line, indicates price is going to the downside. So let's see how we can implement this to our Renko super trend strategy. Let's see how we can implement this to our trading strategy. We start by setting up our chart, which we have already done. We set up our Renko chart and we set up our super trend indicator. The optimal, we start by using a 10 brick for our Renko chart. We use a 10 brick for our Renko chart, and at the same time the Renko chart, our parameters for the super trend should be parameters of period of 10 and a multiplier or a factor of 3. So this is your settings for your super trend indicator. You use a length or ATR length of 10. This is a period of 10, while you use the factor or the multiplier of 3. This is the standard setting for your super trend indicator. Secondly, you identify the trend by observing the position and color of the super trend line relative to the Renko bricks. A super trend line below the price indicates an uptrend. As you can see in this area, when the line is below chart, it indicates an uptrend. When it's above the chart, it indicates a selling position or it indicates a downtrend. This clear visualized representation allows for quick and easy trend identification. So with this indicator and your chart, you can easily identify the trend. The next step is to enter your signal. For a buy trade, you wait for a new green Renko brick to form above the super trend line. This indicates a potential continuation or a start of a new uptrend. So if you want to enter a buying position, the moment you see price is forming above the green line, you would enter your buy position on the next green candle. Let's assume we enter on this green candle. This is where we would want to enter our buy position. Then for a sell position, we'll enter on the next red candle. Once we see a next candle, after confirming that the market or the price is trading below the super trend red line, we enter the sell position at that area. The next is we have to determine where we will set our stop loss. We always place our stop loss beyond the opposite side of the super trend line, beyond the opposite side of the super trend line, meaning in a sell position you place your stop loss above the super trend line. This approach allows you to stay in the trend for as long as the trend remains intact, while providing a clear exit point for a trend reversal. While in a buy scenario, you set your stop loss just below the super trend line. Now let's see where we can set our take profit levels. You have two primary options to take profits with this strategy. The first is to use a fixed risk to reward of 1:2, or let's say we can use alternative of 1:3. We can use a 1:2 to get a fixed risk to reward of 1:2. This is a quick in and out move, 1:2 risk to reward. While you can also use a trailing stop using the super trend line. This allows you to potentially capture large moves while still having a defined exit point. So if you do not want to use a fixed risk to reward, you can always trade your stop loss. This would also help you to capitalize on large moves while still having a defined exit point. You have to always continuously monitor your price action and any changes in the super trend indicator. This will help you to be prepared to exit your position if the trend shows any signs of reversal, such as the super trend line changing color or position relative to its price. So the moment you see a change in position, you exit your trade. This is how you monitor your chart and adjust accordingly while trading using this strategy. You have to always refine your approach. As you gain experience with this strategy, you may want to adjust your Renko brick size or your super trend parameter to best suit your trading style and specific characteristics of the forex pair you are trading. So with time, when you get used to the trading style or get used to this Renko chart pattern and the super trend indicator, by practicing this strategy on a demo account first before applying it to the live chart, you would have more confidence to adjust this Renko bricks to your own choice of use. You also be able to adjust the super trend indicator to best suit each pair you are trading, or you can adjust it to choose the best trading style. You adjust it in such a way it will accommodate your trading style in each trade you are trying to enter with this strategy on. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you will never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.